Hey, hello friends. This is Hitesh here. I'm back. Today I am here with one interesting topic. It's not related to any programming things. I'm not talking about any languages today. Here I'm going to talk about today uh, about some DOS-based command. I hope you guys know what is DOS. DOS means when there was not much graphical operating system available at that time. People were used to do all their things with the use of commands. I mean, like if you want to create a folder, you want to move folder, you want to copy some folder or file from one place to another. So all these things are basically done through commands. So basically, right today, in today's world, you're getting everything over here only. You can, if you want to, you can just right click, you can copy, you can cut, you can paste this file anywhere wherever you want. But this things was done basically with the use of DOS commands. So it's quite cool. Like a lot of people don't know. I hope you'll enjoy. Like once you will see this, you'll find this things very interesting. And I feel in future you will recommend to use this command base only instead of using this graphically. Let's say we'll start. Um, for command you can go over here, you can see this is my Windows 10. Otherwise you can go like here in, if you are using Windows 10 you can get command prompt over here as well. Okay, so okay, cool. I don't have over here, no issues. What you can do is I can click over here Windows and R. Okay, so if you press Windows R you'll get this thing over here. You can press CMD, already I have typed, so press enter, you'll get this command prompt over here. Cool. um, there are quite few things I'll tell you, like how to move from one directory to another. Right now you can see there it has been written something like C user, and then inside that Hitesh, I mean like it's a user, it's me. This is the current directory in which I am. So let's see, if you want I will show you visually this thing. So let's say I go in this. Here I can see C drive is there. You can see C drive. Inside C drive you can see user folder is there, correct? So this is my users folder, and inside that I have Hitesh as a folder. So I'm inside this folder right now. So what I want is I want to directly come out of all this. I want to be inside the C drive directly. So there are multiple ways, like you can do cd dot dot. So what will happen, cd dot dot means change directory, dot dot, that means it will go one step back to its parent directory. So let's see, if I press the enter, it will come over here. So if you want to go back more, you can do cd dot dot, it will go back that way. So cd dot dot means it moves one step back. Now suppose you, if internally you are somewhere focused. So currently I am focused in C drive. So I want to change my folder. I mean I want to go inside some folder inside C drive. So how I will go? So let's say cd, that is change directory. Before that I'll just let you know what all contains I have inside C drive, how I can see that. So for that I have dir command. Dir, if you press enter you'll get all the directory information over here, whatever you have inside that directory. So you have this list of folders over here. So let's say I want to go inside users only again. So let's say I say cd, that is change directory, and the name of that directory in which you want to go. So let's say I want to go again inside users. One more thing, special features you can see over here is you don't need to type each and everything. If you are entering few characters, 2 3 characters, you just press tab, it will automatically take that word itself over there. Now press enter, you can see you are inside C drive user folder. Now if I want to see something inside users, so I will press dir. You can see inside dir I have this much folders over here. So again I can do cd, I can go inside Hitesh this way. I press dir, I'll get this all folders over there. Cool. This is all things we have. So this was about cd, that is change directory. One more thing you can do over here, like if you want to directly come out of all folders, you want to come out, you want to focus yourself in direct drive. Suppose you have hierarchical, like 8 10 folders hierarchical, but you cannot do cd dot dot cd dot dot a number of times. I mean whatever hierarchical would be. So what you can do is you want directly to be focused on the particular drive. So you can do cd and you can just put the slash, press enter. Cool, you can see you don't need to put two times cd dot dot. You are directly focused in C drive now. Assume I want to change my drive now, right? Drive itself, not folder. So what I can do is here you can see what all drive I have. So I have F drive over here. I'll not use that. Let's see, I have G drive. I want to go inside G drive. So what I can do is I can write directly G colon, so it will understand it's drive. And when you press enter, you can see you are inside G drive now. Quite cool. Now what I have to do is next task is I'll show you. I have this G drive available over here. I'll just keep this open. I'll just reduce the size. Okay, so this is there for you. Okay, now what I want is I'm inside G drive. I want to do some activity over here. Let's say I want to create one folder. Okay, so for that I have one command called md, that is make directory. Okay, so let's say I want one folder to be created as sample folder. Cool. Make directory sample folder means one sample folder I want to create. So if I press enter, you can see on the right hand side what happens. Yeah, you can see I got one folder created over here, that is sample folder. Interesting. Okay. Next what we can do is, like, suppose I'll take one file for you. I'll create new. I'll create one text file, uh, sample file. Okay. So I taught you how to do how to change your directory, how to, I mean, move from one directory to another. I told you how to create a folder. Next thing I'll to show you how to copy some files from one place to another. Okay, so let's go. Currently I'm focused in G drive, so this all contains whatever we have is in G drive. Correct, this sample file and sample folder. So in this G drive only I'll write copy, copy. Okay, copy, and then what I can do is I have to put the name of the source file. So here my source file is my sample file. So as I'm focused in G drive, I'll just put the name of the file. Okay, next, where I want to copy this sample file. So I want to copy in sample folder. Cool. If I press enter, oh, not found. Okay, let's see. System cannot find the file specified. Uh, Sample. Yeah, correct. Okay, let's see. Again, I'll put. Oh, I forgot to put the extension over here. Okay, cool. Sample folder. Okay, one file, copy it. Okay, let's see. I'll just open this folder. Yeah, you can see it's the same file over here. Isn't it cool? Okay, next what I'll do is I'll just go back over here graphically and just I'll delete this file from here. Okay, I'll delete. So what I want to do is whatever file I have inside the sample folder, I want to move this file out of this. I want to copy over here. I want to move over here, not copy. So for that I have one command called move, move. Okay, move what? So I have one file. I'll say it's inside sample folder. In sample folder you have that file called sample file.txt. Okay, where you want to move this? I want to move in let's see, G drive. mm, Moved. You see it's moved in G drive because I am currently focused in G drive over here. So that's, and let's see, let's just open this file and just check sample folder. Ooh, nothing is there, isn't it? Okay, now I want to delete this file. Like, I have the sample file, I want to delete this file. So for that I have one command called del. So del and the name of that file, so sample file.txt. I'll just press enter. You can see That file is not there now. It's deleted. Okay. Uh, this was some commands. Okay. Now what I want to do is I want to remove this sample folder. Let's see whether we can. Let's see. Del sample folder. Yeah, it will ask me, are you sure you want to delete it? So you press Y, enter, and you can see, oh, not delete it. What happened? Let's see. Actually, I was having doubt in this. Okay, fine. I'll just use one remove directory command. So rd what sample folder. Okay, so I'll just remove this. So you can see this file folder has been removed from here. That is rd remove directory. Okay, so this was the commands. Cool. This was the only things I was supposed to tell you today. These are the basic commands what people used to do in DOS based. Okay. Sometimes what happened is like you got a lot of clusters over here. Like now things are quite messed up over here in this command prompt. So what you can do, you can start a new command prompt for this. So you have to just press type start and press enter. You'll get one new command prompt appeared over here. Isn't it cool? So like you can use multiple command prompts at the same time. Fine. uh, I hope you guys will find this video useful, and it's quite interesting. Like you can learn this thing, you can show your friends, even they can learn these things from you. uh, Cool. Fine. Thank you guys watching for my video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will be with new videos for you guys, which will be interesting and quite enjoyable. So thank you so much.